We're going to go ahead and take the feet and kind of put them like I'm doing. I'm not really sure what you call this. Tuck them under, basically, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And I'm going to take my arms out just a little bit. We're going to begin with downward dog. So, just kind of go like this. And as you can see, I'm bending my knees and my feet, my heels do not touch the mat because I am not a super flexible person, super flexible yogi. Hello, April Bunny. Looks like April Bunny is joining us for today's routine. So you can just kind of pedal out the feet a little bit. If you do not like, if this is too intense, then you can just go ahead and kind of come down perhaps into maybe child's pose or something similar. Okay. And then we're just going to go ahead and go transition back to all fours again. And then go into upward dog. Make sure that the shoulders are not kind of like this. It's really tempting to do that. But you want to kind of keep everything, pulled back and then down. If upward dog is hard on your arms or something like that, you can come down and do I believe it's called baby cobra. Kind of like this. And you're basically picking yourself up with your back muscles. You should be able to take the hands off of the mat and do this if you wanted to. So the arms are just kind of there, basically. This one's really good for stimulating the internal organs because you're squishing your middle and a lot of your body really into the mat. But yeah, so it's a really good option for a modification if you do not like doing upward dog. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and come back out of that. So that was our yoga quick fix for today. I just wanted to give you that option. It basically just stretches, well, it has a lot of benefits, but it stretches primarily the front and back body, which, a lot of people, especially our back body, gets very tight throughout the day from, sitting at a desk or just whatever we're doing throughout the day. We tend to kind of hunch forward and create a lot of strain back there, and then our, this part of our body becomes, kind of compressed. And so this upward and downward dog, it is, really good for stretching both parts, front and back body. So, and it's also really good for relieving stress and things like that. Especially doing downward dog is really good for stress because everything is kind of inverted, and so your head is inverted, so the blood goes to your head, and it helps the nervous system to kind of just relax and feel more at ease. And so that's why it's excellent for doing that. But if that's not the most ideal position, like I was talking about and showing you, you could also do child's pose, and you can do baby cobra, like I also showed you, for modifications if those other options just do not work. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell if you do subscribe so you're notified whenever I put out a new video. I put out new videos every single week, and I and April Bunny, which you got to see very briefly, will see you on the next video. Bye!